All right, so zenMode hide tabs controls whether turning on zenMode also hides workbench tabs. So let me show you what that looks like. We have a few tabs open here, and if we go to zenMode, you won't see those tabs. However, this does not stop you from changing between open files. You can just you can just press Control Tab, and you will go through the open tabs, right? And not only that, if you press Shift Command period, you can actually select the breadcrumbs and navigate to other files on your repository, right? Even if those files are not opened. So because you can navigate between open files and you can use the breadcrumbs to access open files that are closed, you don't really need tabs on when you're in zenMode. So in zenMode, I would rather just focus on one single file and basically not use the mouse, right? And the tabs are really useful if you use the mouse. Otherwise, you can just scroll through them by using your keyboard, whether you're in zenMode or not. So in zenMode, I want to hide the tabs, so I'm leaving the settings set to true.